Gurudev, what is the benefit of traveling? You travel a lot and yet maintain the same enthusiasm. How can a travel helps in maintaining the personality?
As human beings, you are endowed with legs and arms to move around. Trees cannot travel. Once they are planted in a place, they will stay there. Birds, even birds, they migrate from place to place. So travel in some way is part of human existence, like all other species. And there are two ways to travel. One is people travel for their own needs. Maybe you can say three ways. Second is just for sightseeing. One of you is getting a job in Delhi and it is giving a good payment, what you will do? You will migrate from Bangalore to Delhi. You get a posting somewhere else with a promotion, you will go there. And businessmen, of course, they travel to make money. Others travel around for sightseeing. But my travel is not for myself. I travel because wherever people need me, I go there. I show up there, land up, just for the need of the place and the people. When you are doing something that nature requires or nature needs you to be doing, you are connected with the infinite source of energy. You don't say, oh, I am so sick and tired of traveling, because you are not. Of course, it has its wear and tear. Different places, different air quality, different, food and all that, it has its, and the plane journey, all that has its wear and tear. But you don't mind it because you are there not for yourself but for the need of the time and place and people. That's why when people go for their own tourism or holiday tour just to have nice time, there is more wear and tear. They get so tired and tanned. They go on holiday and come back to recuperate. Oh, I just came back from holiday. You had to recuperate, recharge for 4 5 days for that, because I'm so tired. Because you went not for someone else's need, but you went to just have fun, right? This is normally we see people who go on tourism and they come back, they are so tired. But there could be many exceptions for this also. From time immemorial, spiritual tourism has been part of this. People have been sent for spiritual tourism. That's why you say you go to Kashi, then you go to from Banaras you go to Rameshwaram, then you go. Pilgrimage places are kept like that, so that by travel, by moving around, you learn a lot, you integrate a lot, and you have a sense of belongingness with everyone. Yeah? With people of different culture, language, customs, all that. So this whole world belongs to you. It's a beautiful world. Own it. When you want something you would like to visit,